It is really, really, put my hood up. It is really coming down now. Ugh. I don't know if you can see it. It's hard for me to put the camera facing into it because there's so much snow coming down. I'm going to get my faithful yardstick and this is where it's at. Whew. It's about 8.5 inches right now. But oh my gosh, it is just really, really, really coming down. And it's been doing this terrible coming down now for about a couple hours now. It's really, really coming down. I'm moving back over here. My poor roses, they're really getting covered here, but oh my gosh, it is really, it's just white out. It's about 11:30 right now. No, it isn't. It's 1:30. I'm sorry. Oh, I gotta get out of this. It is really coming down.